All right, Shiba Inu coin holders, welcome back to the channel. By now, you've probably heard about the Ethereum ETF. And if you weren't on my Twitter space today or didn't listen to my live stream, well, no matter what, I've got you covered in this video because while it's bullish for Ethereum, it's bullish for the entire market. And in particular, this is extremely bullish for anything tied to Ethereum. Now, it looks as if Ethereum ETFs could literally be approved by the end of this week. Now, don't get frustrated or, don't get out of whack if it's not finalized by the end of the week, because eventually it's going to get through. The writing is on the wall. The big institutions want into Ethereum. They want exposure, they want access, and they want to hold the second largest crypto on the planet. And you know what happens after that? Well, I'll tell you, the floodgates open wide. And it's going to start, in my opinion, with everything tied to Ethereum. Yes, layer one's alternatives like Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, and all of the other good ones will do their thing as well. But when it comes to Ethereum itself, let's think about it. What's tied to Ethereum? Well, the second Ethereum crypto by market cap, the largest ERC20 token is SHIB, okay? And I'm going to pull up CoinMarketCap and give you guys kind of a breakdown of what's been happening here in the last 48 hours or so. But we know that everything comes back to what's tied to Ethereum, right? So let me show you this. And stay with me here. We're going to get into some of the things that we'll be watching for as it relates to the Ethereum ETF. So we're back up close to 3,800, up 31% on the week. Really, all of that's come in the last 48 hours. If we scroll on down, Dogecoin's up a little bit, up over 5%, 17% in the last 7 days. And there's SHIB, up 14% in the last 7 days, almost 4% in the last 24 hours. I come down to SHIB because it's the largest ERC20 crypto, okay? We have two mega ERC20 cryptos that are listed here. Now, in addition to this, what else is tied to Ethereum? Polygon Matic. It's been a little slow. We know that. Uniswap, obviously, the biggest DEX. That's up 40% in a week. Okay. We scroll on down. Obviously, Aptos is here. It's doing its thing, kind of just coming up with the rest of the market. But not too far away is Pepe right here at 21. I had to scroll back up because I forgot it's continuing to set all-time highs, getting close to a $6 billion market cap. This is crazy, guys. Up 24% in the last 24 hours. Insane growth here by Pepe. But SHIB and Pepe up at the top. These are your top two ERC20 tokens. So things are playing out really nicely. And I want to say this too, because retail money is not back in crypto. And by the way, they're going to be looking at L2s as it relates to Ethereum too. Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, your top three. But when it comes back to SHIB and these top ERC20 cryptos, right? SHIB and Pepe in particular, this is huge. And let me explain why. Because retail money hasn't come back. And I think the Ethereum ETF is kind of the breaking point for retail money to slowly trickle back into crypto. I think this is going to force people to take a look at this and say, well, maybe crypto isn't everything they say it is. Maybe it's not all a scam. Maybe it's actually legit and there's actually utility here when it comes to smart contracts and things built on top of Ethereum like SHIB. And when this new money comes back in, or even the money that was here back in 2021, when they come back into this fold here, they're going to be looking at assets that are strong. Obviously, SHIB is that, $15.5 billion market cap. They're going to be looking for assets that have staying power, that they know about, that have a brand, that they can recognize. All of this fits into what Shiba Inu is. Obviously, they're making a huge transition from just meme coin to actually utility-based. This is going to be enormous. And the likelihood of future ETFs after Ethereum is high. And when you think about it, anything tied to the Ethereum ecosystem should have a leg up, right? There's a lot of talk about Litecoin ETFs. There's a lot of talk about Avalanche ETFs or Solana or Cardano or Dogecoin, etc. I think, you could throw Shiba Inu in that mix. It sounds crazy, but not really, right? Imagine if they have an Ethereum ETF and then an Ethereum, ecosystem ETF with SHIB and Pepe and Some of the layer 2s like Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, it could be very interesting in this bull run because of the Ethereum ETFs and where Shiba Inu is situated. Don't get it twisted. There's a lot of great layer 1s out there, none bigger than Ethereum. When you look at total value locked, $75 billion. It's not even close, okay? The market cap of Ethereum, 454. Tether is 111 billion. Huge gap, even between a huge stablecoin. BNB, the actual real token behind Ethereum, sitting at 91 billion. Still way back here. Solana, 80 billion. Just yesterday, Ethereum grew by literally $80 billion, the entire size of Solana's market cap. That is what's gearing up here. That is what's going on right now. That is the potential, and that's just on a rumor, $80 billion coming in. Imagine what happens when the floodgates open. I think Ethereum will be well into the trillions in this bull cycle. Call me crazy, but an 8 to 10K Ethereum price target I think is very feasible with Ethereum ETFs. And you better believe that SHIB will grow and will be, you know, like a little kid riding on Ethereum's back, on their shoulders. And I think it's a great time to look at some of these big players like SHIB in the Ethereum ecosystem. I think this is going to be an unbelievable run for all of us. I'm so excited about it. I'm ready with all of you guys to take full advantage of this. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Real quick, check out Margex if you guys are looking to trade with me on leverage. Now, leverage trading is risky, so make sure you understand leverage trading. If you do, you'll want to sign up to an interesting platform with no KYC where you can copy trade and get 20% sign-on bonus. Check out Margex. Links down below. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.